James Hardie Industries is the world's #1 producer and marketer of high-performance fibre cement building solutions. Established in 1888, we are one of the most recognised brands in the Australian building industry and locally manufacture a range of fibre cement products from cladding, interior linings, flooring and decking. We produce this wide range of innovative fibre cement building material solutions across several manufacturing facilities in New South Wales and Queensland, allowing homeowners and trade to create a range of looks for their new home or renovation. James Hardie fibre cement products are built for the tough Australian conditions, ready for what life throws at it, allowing you to love where you live longer.
We not only comply with the ISO standards, we also comply with Australian and New Zealand standards as well. But we go beyond that. We do have our very strict internal standards that check our products from the raw material process all the way to finishing before they get into packs.
As a trusted industry leader, James Hardie empowers homeowners to achieve their dream home or renovation without compromising on quality or aesthetics. We work hand in hand with key stakeholders across the industry, such as builders, contractors, architects and designers to support them as they drive the industry forward. With specialised teams in market that are dedicated to supporting the building process from design through to construction and to marketing the final product, we have a level of capability and support that is unmatched in the industry today. Our incredible network of dealers and distributors offer market-leading service and a breadth of range to the industry that is unmatched, and we are proud to partner with such strong brands and businesses.
Our customers prefer Australian-made products because they offer very high quality. Just by having that Australian-made logo, you can trust the brand. It's an Australian brand. By focusing on quality, gives our customers a more durable, a more reliable, and a more timeless-looking product.
Our fibre cement products are easy to install, low maintenance, and most importantly, help to facilitate versatile design and the creation of modern facades that homeowners love.